Hello, my name is Vatan Badalov. Here I am going to talk about our design project for analog laboratory. In analog laboratory for final project, we are asked to design an AM receiver. AM receiver with automatic gain control unit. In our design, although we had a short time, we actually worked hard to design this circuit, and we actually simulated in multi-sim, and the results were satisfactory. That's why we're going to use this circuitry in our design. I'm going to talk about this design in a brief introduction, and my friends are going to talk in detail. We have input signal to antenna, and then we have RF amplifier, LC tuning, and then we have RF amplifier, then we have automatic gain control unit. Then the signal is going to is given to peak detector part. After peak detector part, we use buffer to isolate two parts. And after the buffer part, we give this signal to audio amplifier. Then the signal after audio amplifier is going to give in the speaker. After brief introduction, I'm going to give my stage to Nurdan Karypbekuulu to continue in detail parts.
Hello everyone, my name is Nurdan Karypbekuulu, and thank you Vatan for the brief introduction. Now I will continue with the automatic gain control unit and with the LC tuned filter. So first of all, to receive the signal we use the antenna which are matched to the LC circuit. LC circuit plays a crucial role because it acts like a filter. When you play with this formula, like we find the critical frequency, you can see that the critical frequency can be found by the LC. It's in the root. So when we match the LC to our carrier frequency, we receive the signal from the antenna. After we pass the signal through the LC filter, let me call it LC filter, we send the signal to the RF amplifier. RF amplifier is basically a negative feedback amplifier. We play with the resistor values to play with the gain value. After the output of the RF amplifier, we introduce this part. This called is automatic control unit. Automatic control unit is used to stabilize the output value of the RF amplifier. For example, in such cases like the signal may be attenuated improperly, so we have a decrease in the signal, but our output should be constant. It's asked from us in our project. So basically, automatic gain unit is a bunch of resistors and diodes and GFET. This is the most important part. And when the output voltage of the RF amplifier increases, the configuration decreases the voltage from here, and vice versa. When the output decreases, this configuration increases the input voltage, so it's kind of a negative feedback. So it stabilizes our output. From now on, my friend Rustam Alakbarov will continue with the second part. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rustam Alakbarov, and thank you for Nurdan for your information about the AGC control unit. And now I'm going to talk about the diagram from this point, taken from this point. As you all know, up to this point we already controlled our signals using AGC unit, and also firstly we received it using the antenna and tuned filter. However, at this point the signal that we observe is something like this one, and in order to get the sinusoidal signal, we're going to use our peak detector system. As you can see, it consists of diode, capacitor, and resistor. And using the important formula of maximum modulated frequency, we can find proper values for R and C and design this part of the circuit. Now, after this part, we put a buffer in order to isolate the two systems, partially input and output systems. And finally, before going into the speaker, we have our important audio amplifier part. This is the part that is well known to us from analog electronics course. As you can see, it's a Class AB amplifier using 3 BJTs and 2 diode system. And it provides us with a low output impedance, which is required for a speaker. And finally, using 470 picofarad capacitor, we're gonna put the speaker to the output and have our signal received. So thank you very much for your attention, and I hope that we will meet all expectations that's required from us.